Welcome back to Laserwood Creations. I'm Paul. Today I'm firing up the Monport CO2 laser to cut the acrylic core for my most complex build yet, a 21 piece premium character display. Now we're back in the craft studio with the 3 pieces of acrylic we cut on the laser. We're now getting ready to put all the items together of this Hero Relic Premium Slab. In total there are 21 parts that go into this build. So we'll just clear a little bit of area so we can start the work. The next step is to get all the protective covering off of the acrylic after we laser cut it and engrave it. So for this part of the process I'm wearing cotton gloves, obviously because acrylic picks up fingerprints very easily. So the first part of the process is to get what will become the front of the slab into the 3D printed frame, making sure it doesn't go through the front like so. Then I will fit the middle section of the slab the same way, making sure it's pushed down firmly like so. Then I also have a frame that goes round the card itself. This has been 3D printed on the Bambu Lab P1S machine. Absolutely fantastic printer. So that drops in there. We have a top nameplate, as you can see, made from duo core acrylic. What that means is there is a very thin layer of gold acrylic on the surface, and you use a laser just to burn away the top layer so you see the colour underneath. So that will drop in just there. The card itself obviously face down into the frame, and finally the back of the card goes in, and then the back goes on and into the frame like so. The last stage of the process is just to secure it all together with some chrome Chicago bolts and screws, which I will fit now. Just making sure they go through the holes nice and snug. That's it. There is the finished slab. I can get it in shot for you. Making sure the frame is all nice and snug. So now let's turn the slab round and have a look at the front. And there you go. There is the Hero Relic Premium Slab. Now let's get this slab displayed properly and have a really good look at it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.